Good morning, children. Yesterday I discussed about causes of world wars. That is, First World War point of view. I explained detailedly different types of causes. Now, in the Second World War context, we will discuss somewhat causes. Number one is the Treaty of Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles is the cause for Second World War. Why? World War I was happened between two groups. What are the two groups? You know that Germany is the head for one group and Britain is the head for one group. Germany, Austria, Hungary, Italy is the one group, and Britain, France, Russia and Serbia is the one group. So these are all two groups, rival groups. Here winners are Britain, France, Russia are the winner group. The winner group conducted a treaty and invited the losers also. All the members gathered in France one beautiful building, glass building, that is called Versailles. That's happening in 1919. Versailles Treaty conducted by the Britain in the France. So at the time, how many nations are invited for the meeting? Especially the five nations: UK, USA, USSR, Japan and the Russia. These nations are invited. And the Germany, loser nation, Germany also invited, and remain nations are not invited. The socialist nations are not invited, like China and other socialist countries. So this conference was held in France, Paris, France capital Paris, and here two types of penalties are imposed. And victim is here Germany. Germany kept signature in Versailles Treaty papers, and here penalties, two types of penalties are imposed on Germany. One is military penalty and another one is military penalty and another one is territorial penalty. Territorial penalty, two penalties are imposed at first. And military cuts, it is nothing but military cuts. Military penalties means military cuts, which is imposed on Germany. Germany is the victim. Germany is the cause for First World War. The type of diktat is imposed by Britain on Germany. So here, what type of penalty? And territorial occupation also happened. What happened? Territorial occupation also happened. France occupied Alsace and Lorraine areas, which is rich mineral sources are available. Such areas are occupied by France nation. And here military cuts, only 1 lakh military soldiers, only one submarine, and remain. There is no nuclear weapons, no recruitment of the military, and several places are occupied by USA and France and the Britain area. Britain. So this is called the Treaty of Versailles. It is a purely suppressed manner designed by the Britain and USA. Later, League of Nations. League of Nations is established by League of Nations started in 1914 by Woodrow Wilson. The founder of League of Nations is Woodrow Wilson. Why? He belongs to President of USA. He designed League of Nations after end of the First World War, International Peace Organization designed by Woodrow Wilson. He belongs to American President. He is a former American President. He designed that. First of all, he designed 14 important principles to form League of Nations. League of Nations headquarters is Geneva. At beginning, less members are there. At peak stage, 58 members are there in League of Nations. But Germany is not a member in League of Nations, and Italy is not member in League of Nations. And League of Nations is try to control the peace and secret treaties among the nations. And afterwards, German challengeful to vengeful domination. German challenge to vengeful domination. It means in the Treaty of Versailles, the target is the Germany. Territorial penalties, financial penalties, military cuts, everything imposed on Germany only. So Germany getting downstage, getting the very weak stage to weaken the Germany. Mainly these Britain, France and America forced to weaken Germany. That is the main target of Versailles. So when the German was weakened, suppressed by these type of penalties, ultimately German people is thinking about when we ready to take revenge against other nations or winner nations. That is the main cause for Second World War. So Hitler is dominated these factors, and he didn't care about League of Nations and all principles imposed in Treaty of Versailles. He didn't care. So that's why people is ready for do Second World War and winning against winners in First World War. So that is the feeling of a nation. So that is main cause for Second World War. Another one is the fear of socialism and USSR. USSR in 1917 internal revolution was happened. That is called Bolshevik revolution was happened, headed by I.V. Lenin. So I.V. Lenin is started a war. Then finally Tsar dynasty was collapsed. There at first time in the world, socialist country and socialist system was started by I.V. Lenin. After death of I.V. Lenin, Joseph Stalin come to the force, and he is continuously implemented socialist principles and communist principles, and finally USSR was well developed state in the world, and he implemented a lot of principles, that is equality of economy and all the things. Then the nation is goes to high level. That's why such type of socialism creates fear in the minds of capitalist, in the minds of